Hello, fellow adventurers. Welcome to Travels and Tricks, your guide to navigating the world of travel safety. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey to uncover some unconventional safety insights, gems often missed in the sea of social media travel tips. Whether you're a seasoned explorer or stepping into solo travel for the first time, this guide is crafted to ensure your safety and ease during your adventures. Planning your next thrilling getaway? Hold on. Before you jet off, here's a crucial travel safety tip. Check travel advisories for your destination. It's not just about knowing if a place is safe. It's about being aware of the political climate. It's vital to understand the current situation in your destination, especially if you're visiting a country with a complex relationship with your home country. Take Iran, for example, for American travelers. If you hold dual nationality or a specific passport, it could impact your journey. Even if you've checked advisories before buying tickets, circumstances can alter suddenly. Whether it's to see family, embrace culture, or explore new sites, always recheck advisories before your trip. Your safety is paramount, especially if you're not checking the news regularly. You might miss recent government advisories. Stay informed. Stay safe. Let's keep our adventures connected and safe. Our next gem, local SIM card for communication. Imagine this. In Africa, a local SIM card not only kept me connected, but also added a layer of safety. With easy access to local emergency services and staying connected to loved ones without the wallet. Draining international fees, it's a travel hack that's both savvy and secure. Speaking of safety nets, let's explore our next vital tip, knowing local emergency services. It might seem simple, yet it's often overlooked. I vividly recall my time in Mexico when a friend had a minor accident. Quick access to local emergency numbers became our lifeline, ensuring immediate help in a moment of unexpected need. Let's kick off with tip 4, pre-travel health check. Before you start packing, take a moment for this essential step. I'll never forget the time I overlooked this. During a trip, a simple health check saved the day, ensuring I was fit for an adventure and not sidelined by unexpected health issues. Now, on to tip 5, travel insurance magic. This isn't just any insurance, it's your travel superhero. Once, I fell ill abroad, and my travel insurance swooped in like a lifesaver, not just covering my medical bills, but also connecting me with a reliable local doctor. Trust me, it's more than just a policy. It's your passport to peace of mind. Moving forward, let's explore our next set of tips. Tip 6, research, plan and share. Always do your homework. Research your destination, understand local customs, and have a rough itinerary in place. And don't forget to share it with someone you trust back home. It's like having a virtual travel buddy. Next up on our list is tip 7, emergency contacts and local numbers. It's your safety Rolodex. Always keep a list of emergency contacts and local numbers handy, including the nearest embassy or consulate, the local police, ambulance, and fire department. You never know when you might need them. Now, shifting gears to our next tip, want to feel like a true explorer? Blend in with the locals, dress appropriately, learn a few basic phrases, and follow their customs. It connects you deeply with the heart of the place. Let's now delve into tip 9, food safety awareness. Let's talk about street food. While it's tempting, pay attention to food safety. Eating from local vendors can be fantastic, but be selective. In Africa, I had a delicious experience trying street food. However, I also had a friend who didn't pay attention to food safety and ended up with a stomach bug. To avoid this, I recommend being selective about where and what you eat. Food is an adventure. Make sure it's a good one. Let's move on to the next tip. Tip 10. Cultural sensitivity and local laws. When in Rome, do as the Romans do. Respect local customs and laws. Ignorance is not bliss when it comes to breaking rules in a foreign land. Respecting local cultures means dressing modestly, especially in religious or conservative regions. Wearing inappropriate attire could lead to discomfort or even cultural misunderstandings. For instance, in certain countries, improper clothing choices might unintentionally offend locals or restrict entry to significant cultural sites. Next up on our list is Tip 11. Secure your valuables. We all know the importance of securing your valuables, but here's a twist. In some countries, theft might not be the primary concern. It could be the unexpected climate that poses a threat. For instance, in a coastal destination, high humidity can damage your electronics and documents. So, protecting your valuables goes beyond just theft. It's about safeguarding them from environmental factors too. Following that, we'll delve into Tip 12. Beware of scams and tourist traps. Be cautious of scams and tourist traps. It's not just about pickpockets. In some places, you might be overcharged for souvenirs, tours, or services. Research beforehand to avoid these pitfalls. In Turkey, I discovered that even in the most touristy areas, scams can be lurking around the corner. So I learned to stay vigilant, be cautious of overly aggressive sellers, and research common scams to protect my wallet and enjoy a hassle-free trip. Knowledge is your best defense against scams. Next, Tip 13. Stay aware and trust your instincts. It's like having a built-in travel superpower. Trust your gut feelings. If something doesn't feel right, it probably isn't. Stay aware of your surroundings and don't be afraid to change your plans if needed. Your safety comes first, always. Next one. Tip 14. Accommodation security. Your home away from home, choose accommodations with good reviews and security features. Lock your room, use the hotel safe, and make it your cozy fortress while you're out exploring. Tip 15. Transportation safety. Let's talk transportation. Whether it's taxis, buses, or trains, research the safest and most reliable options. Buckle up, double-check your route, and hold on to your ticket. It's your golden ticket to a safe journey. Tip 16. Navigation apps and offline maps lost in translation? Don't worry, navigation apps and offline maps can be your saviors. Download them in advance to explore without fear of getting lost. Tip 17. Travel light and right. Packing is an art. But remember, packing light doesn't just save your back, it also gives you the flexibility to adapt to different situations. Efficient packing means more room for adventure and less stress. A well-packed bag is a happy bag. Travel light, but don't forget the essentials like a first aid kit, medications, and photocopies of your important documents. Roll your clothes, use packing cubes, and voila, you're the packing pro. Tip 18. Stay hydrated and nourished. Your body's best friend while traveling, water and healthy snacks. Stay hydrated and keep your energy up. It's the secret to endless exploration. Tip 19. Water quality. Awareness, water safety can't be stressed enough. In some countries, even brushing your teeth with tap water can lead to trouble. Stay hydrated with bottled water and be wary of ice in your drinks. Tip 20. Internet and data. Safety: use a VPN to safeguard your online data. Be wary of public Wi-Fi and avoid sharing sensitive information online. Tip 21. Traveling solo. Safely. Solo travel is empowering, but safety should be a priority. Keep in touch with friends and family, share your location, and trust your instincts. Tip 22. Currency exchange caution research. The best currency exchange options to avoid unfavorable rates and high fees. It's a small effort for significant savings. And there you have it, fantastic travelers. These comprehensive safety tips are your toolkit for an amazing journey filled with unforgettable memories. Remember, safety is the key to unlocking the best adventures. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Travel and Tricks, and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on more amazing travel content. Until next time, happy and safe travels.